Welcome to day 6 of our 100 Days of Excel challenge. Are you ready to bring your data to life? Today we are diving into conditional formatting, a feature that can make your worksheets pop and your analysis shine. Let's turn the boring data into a visual masterpiece. Let's get started. Imagine you're analyzing the employee salary dataset and you want to highlight anyone who's earning more than 70k here. So what we do is we select the salary column, all the salaries, and go to conditional formatting. Then as we want to highlight something, so I'm going to see what all options there are in highlighting the cells. So we have greater than, less than, between, equal to, etc. Here we are just going to explore the greater than number. Let's try writing 70,000 and I want to make it look green. Right. Boom, your high earners are now glowing with success. So I've got two people who are having a salary more than 70k. Easy to visualize. Also, we can try using the less than feature. If someone's having less than salary, let's say 50,000. Right. Okay, now let's try using the data bars to see whose salary is ranking in the top. I'm going to select the salary column again and I'm going to go into the data bars, and which one is looking more appealing, like a green one here or a solid fill? I think I'll go with the gradient fill. Right, I can see the data bars making the visualization even more clear and easy. Next up we have the age column. Let's try and see what we can do with this. Now let's select the age column. Let's go to conditional formatting and select color scales. I've used yellow and green color scheme, wherein yellow is showing the data, showing the age group, which are new employees or young employees, whereas as the density of the yellow and green color scheme, that is green, is increasing, it's showing that the people who are old in the company. Now let's talk about the date of joining. I want to add some icons here. Again, I will select the column, go to conditional formatting and use the icons set. You can use any set, like it should be definitely meaningful to the data. Now just to show, I'm using this one. I'm trying to make some meaning here, like the red arrow which is going down is showing that people who have joined earlier into the company, and the upward arrow is something that people for the people who are recent joiners, and just like that. So if it's necessary, you should add some icons. The data looks even more visually more appealing. Actually, we can use some icons here also in the salary column. So I want to use, you can see here the icons have been applied meaningfully to the data set. So the salaries like which is 80 above has been shown in the upward arrow in a green color, and the salaries which are less than 50k are shown in this one. So it looks more visually appealing to whoever will be looking at the data. Not all the time you will have to select the whole column and then do conditional formatting one by one. Now that Excel is upgraded, you can simply just select the whole table and you can find a quick access or quick analysis icon here. When you select that icon, you will find that you can either make charts out of this table or about the formatting. You can, when you just hover to different options, you will see what all analysis or what all changes can be done into your data. So top 10 clear format if I don't want any. So it's, yeah, it's fine, but I think I'm happy with the conditional formatting that I've done manually for my data set here by myself. You can use the table. It is also easy and it saves a lot of time. And that's how you can turn the raw numbers into some actionable insights using conditional formatting. Now, whether you are just trying to highlight any key trends in your data or trying to make your spreadsheet look good, you can always use this conditional formatting. Try these tricks on your data and let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.